This is the Ford F150 13th generation, and actually in all engines it will have the same type of air filter for the engine. It's FA1883, and the same way to replace the filter. It's pretty easy. So here are the clips. Just need to manually disconnect them. No tools are needed. And then when the clips are disconnected, you need to move this cap of the filter box to the side of the front of the car, and it comes out of this holders, and here's the filter. So you just take it out. It's actually not bad in this vehicle. Clean inside. It's important to clean this side of the filter box, and then just assemble it back by putting it first in these locks here. And then engaging the locks. And that's all. Make sure you feed everything correctly in order to avoid air leaks in this box. This would be unfortunate.